Smart people usually are the worst people at learning new skills. It sounds backwards, but it's true. Most people think being smart means picking up things fast. Sometimes it's actually the opposite. Today, I'm going to show you why. Smart people love juggling skills. Coding on Monday, guitar on Tuesday, Spanish by Friday. It looks impressive, but it just doesn't work. Your brain can't multitask. Each time it switches, it resets progress. The people who actually pick skills and locking in on it and master it, even when it's boring, actually win. If you're smart, you're used to being good at things fast. So the first time you're clumsy or bad at something, it feels wrong. So a lot of people quit right there. And that's wrong. I'm not good at speaking on an iPad and editing the video after, but I still try. When you quit instantly, you'll never get to the expert point. Which brings us here. Smart people watch experts make their own things and it looks effortless, but when they judge their first attempt, they compare it. And that's wrong. You're not behind, you're just early. Just wait and be patient and finish the skill to the end. Then compare yourself with experts and learn from your mistakes and update yourself based upon that. So, no, you're not bad at learning. You've just been being smart the wrong way. Fix these three things and watch how fast you improve. Tell me your opinion in the comments, and I hope you like this video.